Hello folks, I'm Jack, an internet marketing instructor. If you are among all those hundreds of thousands of struggling internet marketers wanting to get massive traffic for their offers, then you are at the right place. Today, I am here to talk about the latest photo and video sharing app, Snapchat, and how you can increase your website traffic instantly with its amazing features. Yesterday, I came across a mind-blowing fact that stated Snapchat has 100 million active users with 400 million snaps sent every day. Guys, 100 million means a complete treasure trove of unexplored opportunities. Snapchat is changing the online marketing space, and it's projected to grow rapidly over the coming decade. Now, let's take a look at the numbers that are breaking the signposts. Snapchat is currently valued at over $16 billion. Snapchat delivers more than 7 billion videos to users every day. With 9,000 snaps shared every second, Snapchat has gone from strong to stronger. At a linear monthly growth rate of 33%, Snapchat will surpass 18 billion daily video views by May of 2017. Snapchat ads are seen anywhere between 500,000 and 1 million times per day. 60% of all smartphone users are now using Snapchat. Man, it's truly stunning, right? Folks, overlooking Snapchat's growing effect for your business is suicidal. It helps to generate curiosity by making a series of videos and builds hype among your viewers in a fun and casual way to provide a catchy sneak peek into your upcoming products and dominate the untapped masses. It also helps to improve consumer interactions and gets them hooked on a long-term basis. I know most of you have already started licking your fingers imagining the bundles of dollars heaped into your bank accounts. But wait a sec, it's not as easy as it looks. To become a master with Snapchat, you need to get proven and tested information that holds you together. Don't worry, I have a complete solution to ease all your worries. Presenting Snapchat Marketing Training Guide. It will move you closer to your dreams, boost your user base, and increase brand interactions. Now, you can learn proven tricks of the trade, provide the masses with the right content to grow your Snapchat following, and ultimately get higher sales and profits. And why not? This is only a small part. There is much more for you. This is an info-packed training guide that is compiled with precision and enriched with time-tested methods. What's even better, you get this complete, ready-to-use Snapchat marketing training guide for just pennies of its cost. Don't waste time thinking about it. Act now while your competitors are still applying those age-old trial and error methods. Buy this up-to-date Snapchat marketing training guide and take your business to new heights. I wish you a successful business ahead.